Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's try to learn how to divide image on Photoshop. Yeah, okay. Now I will try to make a canvas first. I use 1500 pixel with 1500 pixel height and use resolution 300 pixel per inch. Yeah, that's canvas I will use to divide the image, and then we can publish on Instagram. Okay, let's try. I will take this image to move here. Okay, after that we can adjust, choose the object and then Ctrl T, hold your shift button to adjust the object. Okay, that's it. After that I want to take the background and with weight, and I will know where is the center point. Yeah, I use guideline. Okay, use guideline. Will know the image it's on center place. Okay, choose the layer and then Ctrl C. Okay, this the center point of this image, we can move here. Okay, don't worry because we use snap. Yeah, look like snapping on Corel Draw, on Flash, maybe on Illustrator and another application. That the application we can manage our image. Okay, that's it. But now I want divide this image become 9 object with the object 1 divide 1. Yeah, we know the size width is 1500 pixel, width and height 1500 pixel height too. Yeah, we will divide become 9 object. Okay, now we can use slice select tool here and choose slice select tool, and we will see this maybe property. Yeah, this one slice. If we want to divide another slice, we can move closer here, and then right click, and then divide slice. Okay. Nah, if we want to set one divide one, maybe 1000 and 1000 per slice. Yeah. If we want divide, use this maybe 3 horizontal, it will be look like this. Per slice have 500 pixel per slice. Yeah, we know on Instagram have 9 object image. Yeah, now we can set this divide vertically to 3 slices. That's it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 slice. After that, we can push button OK. That's it. Okay, I will save first. Save. Okay. ID 9 slice. Save. Yeah. Okay, but now we will do the 5 slice. We can save. Yeah. Save for web maybe. Yeah, save for web. It make a 9 object. Yeah. Okay, good. Good JPEG, very high, maybe quality 100 maximum. Okay, save. Okay, we can save here and make a folder result 9 slice. Okay, here just wait a minute, my computer is low running. Okay, image only, JPEG only, or here we can create for web design. Okay, 9 slice, JPEG only, default. Okay, save. Wait a minute. Okay, I will prepare the result and I will show all of you the result. Okay, now I will try to stop screen first. I will to show all of you the result. Wait a minute. Instagram 9 slice image. Okay, we'll share the design. Okay, that's it. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, if all image we publish on Instagram from last number, yeah, number 9 number 1, number 8 number 2, number 7 number 3, and so on, we must see the result look like one object on Instagram. Okay, that's our lesson today. See you on next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.